Hi guys, in this video, I will show you a super easy way to make anyone kiss another person. And the amazing thing is you can even do this on your mobile phone. Without further ado, let's begin. The app we are using is AI Marvels, available on Android and iOS. Open it, tap AI Video, and tap the AI Kiss template. Use this template. Here you can simply add your photos. Take these two photos for example. Place them like this. Then tap Generate immediately. After a little while, we can get the incredible two people kissing video easily. You can further extend the duration or just save it on your device. Very convenient. There are other AI video templates, such as AI hugging, AI dancing, AI transformation, etc. You are able to find the viral and trending AI video templates on the app. Feel free to explore more through the official link below. Hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.